Welcome English speakers. Prepositions. حروف الجر. Avoid these mistakes with prepositions. Don't say, I congratulate you for your success, but say, I congratulate you on your success. For example, you may say, warmest congratulations on your achievement. Don't say, we arrived to the village at night, but say, we arrived at the village at night. Arriving at one goal is the starting point to another. John Dewey. Don't say, he's jealous from his brother, but say, he's jealous of his brother. You can be the moon and still be jealous of the stars. Gary Allen.